Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will see how to use the Timekettle M3 Translation Earbuds. So, let's dive right in. First, unbox your M3 earbuds and charge them with the case. They'll light up when ready. Next, download the Timekettle app from the App Store or Google Play. That's where all the magic happens. Once the app is installed, open it and connect your earbuds via Bluetooth. It's super quick. Just make sure both earbuds are in your ears. The M3 has different translation modes. Touch mode, tap your earbud, speak, and it translates for the other person. Great for quick chats. Speaker mode. Use your phone's speaker for group conversations. Listen mode. Perfect for lectures or meetings. It translates what you hear in real time. Even works offline for certain languages once you download the packs. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.